Hello guys, today we're going to make kachori or potato balls with eggs, as you all call it. So the first thing I'm going to do is to boil my potatoes. I'm going to add salt, and also I will be boiling my eggs. Then I'm going to add Cajun spice blend for taste. It really tastes nice. You should try this spice. Then I'm going to add some food color. Then I'll add parsley, and then I'm going to mix this well all together. Mix it well until everything mixes, and then I'm going to put it on the side and start removing my eggshell. So I'll remove my eggshell bit by bit. I think I'm good at this job. I should just get a trolley and start selling eggs in town. And at this time my eggs are ready, so I'm going to cut it into two, and this is how it looks. So I'll pick a spoon and put some potatoes on my hand, and I'm going to create this shape, put my eggs inside, and then I'm going to cover my egg with this mashed potato. Gently create a ball like or oval, whichever shape it comes out to be, oval or ball like shape. And here they are ready. So after this, I'm going to add some all-purpose flour in a bowl. Then I'll add some food color, salt, and some lemon juice. And then I'm going to add water. I'll mix this well until it has a consistent texture. Make sure it's not too thin and not too thick. Then I'm going to cut my kachori with this mixture. After this, I'm going to pick it up and put it in a hot cooking oil. When I say hot, I mean hot. Then I'm just going to let them cook for some time before I turn them. Don't let them cook for that long. I think five minutes is enough, since it's just coating. Everything is cooked at this point. We just want the coat to cook. And at this point, my kachori is ready, guys. It smells good and tastes nice. You should try this.